To get to the menu, we need to first turn on the car. I don't know why Nissan made it this way, but the car must be running to get to the menu. We'll push the top button until we get to the menu section, and then the bottom to scroll down. Basically, the bottom button is to scroll down, and the top button is to select. Once we get here, you can adjust the miles to where you want the light to come on. If you happen to scroll past the miles where you want the light to come on, you can just keep pressing the button until it resets. I like to do my oil changes at 5,000 miles, so I'll be setting it to 5,000. And then to reset, we'll go back and select reset. We'll push the bottom button to highlight the miles, and then the top button to go back. Once you go back, it should be reset. You can also do this through the oil filter, even though you should be changing it each time you do your oil change. Also your tires or anything else you want your car to notify you on. And that's pretty much how you reset your maintenance light. Thanks for watching.